In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change language on Trust Wallet. You can simply change to any preferred language on Trust Wallet in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Trust Wallet. Tap on the settings icon just right here. Then select the option of Preferences. You will have to tap onto the second option of App Language. It will redeem directly to your system settings. Tap on Language and select any preferred language of your own choice. Trust Wallet always matches with your phone language. If you change your phone language to Chinese, your Trust Wallet app will be in Chinese too. That's how easy it is to change to any language on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.